Hi everyone, welcome back to 10th standard maths class. We are learning the chapter trigonometry. In the previous video we have finished our first section. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is new measure of angles. Previous video we have learned the ratio concept, isn't it? Ratio concept of 45 45 90 degree and 30 60 90 degree. Okay, but we can't say that always right triangles will be in this particular ratio. Okay, it is not compulsory. Another measures also possible. For example, 70 20 90 degree. Okay, this is also a right triangle, but here one angle 90 degree and the other two angles are what? 70 degree and 20 degree. 70 plus 20 90, 90 plus 90 180. Okay, for the next one angle 80 degree, next angle 10 degree and one angle 90 degree. This is also a right triangle, but these two angles are different. Okay, compared to these 45 45 90 and 30 60 90, compared to these two are different. Okay, other measures also possible. Okay, 60 30 possible. Okay, 50 40 possible. Like that, so many right triangles we can draw. Okay, other than 45 45 and 30 60. And ratio concept is applicable only for these two triangles. Okay, ratio concept, that is 30 60 90 we learned. What was the ratio? 30 60 90, it is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Similarly 45 45 90 ratio, that also we learned, that is 1 is to root 2. These two ratio concepts are applicable only for these two triangles. Then how we will find the sides if angles are different, like 70 20 80 10, like this? If it is different, we have another option. Okay, another option, that means new measure of angles, that we are going to learn in this section. For that we have three concepts. First two we are going to learn in this section. We'll explain. First one is sine. Okay, first one is sine of x degree. This x degree means it can be any two angles. Okay, perpendicular 90, other than 90 degree, any two angles it can be. Okay, so first one is sine, and that sine value is opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, first of all consider any angle. Okay, I told you x can be any angle, whatever be that angle. For that angle, three side we can consider. Okay, for example, here I am going to consider this angle. Okay, let's name it as A, B, C. Okay, if I am considering this angle B, that is 45 degree angle, three sides are there for this angle. Okay, first one is opposite side. This one, opposite side. Opposite side means just opposite side of this angle. Okay, 45 degrees, just opposite means what? It is AC. This is opposite side. Okay, this side is opposite side. Next one is adjacent side. Okay, one more is there, that is adjacent. Opposite side, adjacent side. Second one, that is next perpendicular side. Okay, this is hypotenuse. 90 degree opposite is always hypotenuse, no change in that. Okay, hypotenuse side is always fixed, and we have two perpendicular sides, and one perpendicular side is just opposite one, that is opposite side. Other than opposite side and hypotenuse will be what? Adjacent side. Okay, so for this angle B, opposite side is AC, adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is BC. This you have to learn, then only you can write this. Okay, consider the next triangle. Here 30 degree. Okay, so 30 degree, if we are considering 30 degree, let's name it as ABC. Okay, if we are considering this 30 degree, 30 degrees just opposite side. Just opposite side means 30 degree here, opposite will be what? AB is the opposite side. So this is opposite side of 30 degree. Okay, 60 degrees opposite side is not this. Okay, this AB is the opposite side of this angle 30 degree. Okay, next adjacent side. Adjacent side will be what? Other than hypotenuse. So first of all you have to write hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always what? 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. Okay, this is hypotenuse. So adjacent side will be what? Opposite side is this one, hypotenuse this one, then this will be adjacent side. This is adjacent side of what? 30 degree. Okay, not 60 degree. 60 degrees opposite side will be what? If we are considering 60 degree, if we are considering sine 60 degree, then opposite side will be what? 60's opposite will be AC. Okay, here adjacent side is 30's. This adjacent side will be opposite side of what? 60 degree. 60's opposite is AC. Adjacent side will be what? This will be 60 degrees adjacent side. Okay, hypotenuse no change, it is fixed. Okay, so these three you have to keep in mind, then only we can write this. So first one is sine x degree. If sine 30 degree, if you are going to write, sine 30 degree will be opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite is what? AB. That will be AB by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? BC. Okay. If this is 30 degree. Okay. So sine 30 equal to, sine 30 is opposite side AB by hypotenuse BC. Next is cos. Okay. Cos, name is cos. Cos x degree. X degree means any angle. So cos value means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay. First one opposite side by hypotenuse. Second one, that is cos. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. These two name you have to learn. Okay, sine value and cos value. Sine value is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos value is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So suppose cos 30 degree, if we are going to write cos 30 degree. Okay, so if cos 30 degree, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So 30 degree you have to consider. 30 degrees adjacent side is what? Adjacent side we need in the numerator part. So adjacent side of 30 degree is CA. So AC divided by hypotenuse, that is the same BC. Okay, like this we are writing. Then how we will apply this in order to find the measurement? Okay, whether sine or whether cos. How we will identify whether we have to apply sine or cos value? For that, in the question, at least one measurement will give. Okay, at least one measurement will give. Then next measurement you have to find. Okay, and to apply sine or cos, you have to find the relation between measurement given in the question and the measurement you have to find in the question. Okay, these two relation you have to find. Depending on this, you can choose sine or cos. I will show you. Consider this triangle, triangle ABC. Okay, in this triangle, one angle is given, that is 40 degree. This is 90 degree, and the measurement given is what? Hypotenuse. Okay, measurement given is hypotenuse, 6 centimeter. So given measurement is hypotenuse, and we need one more measurement. Okay, what to find? That also we need. So here, suppose question is find the base of this triangle. Base. Okay, base means AB. Okay, here suppose question is to find AB. Then you have to check this AB is, this base AB is which side of the given angle. Which side of given angle. Okay, only 40 degree we have here. Okay, so this is hypotenuse side. Then 40 degrees opposite side is this one. This is adjacent side. Okay, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. According to this angle 40 degree. For 40 degrees opposite AC, adjacent AB, and hypotenuse is 6 given. Okay, now we have to check which measurement you have to find. So measurement you have to find is AB. That is what? Adjacent side. Okay, 40 degree only we have here. Okay, so 40 is adjacent side we have to find. So to find measurement is adjacent. Okay, so given measurement is hypotenuse and the measurement to find is adjacent. So hypotenuse and adjacent. Relation between hypotenuse and adjacent side comes in sine or cos. It comes in cos because adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, these two comes in cos. That means cos 40 you have to consider. Cos 40 we have to consider, not sine 40, because opposite side we don't want. Okay, if question is find the opposite side, if question is find the height of this triangle, height. Okay, if it is height, you can write like what, hypotenuse it is given, find measurement is what, opposite. Okay, if we have to find the opposite side and if we have hypotenuse is given, then you can apply what, sine you can apply. Like this you have to choose which one we have to consider in order to find the values. So here cos 40 will be what, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is AB. So AB by what, hypotenuse is given, that is 6. And this is sine 40, cos 40, etc, etc, etc. All these values will be given in the question. Okay, these values will be given in the question. And in your textbook last page also, from 1 to 90 sine, cos and one more is there, that values are given. Okay, so using this you can find the value AB. If you have to find the value of AB, keep AB here. AB equal to cos 40 into 6. Cos 40 value will give, then that two multiplication, these two values multiplication will be what, AB. Like this you have to solve the problems. Okay, sine and cos. Sine means it is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, first you have to check the relation. Okay, which one is given and which one we have to find. That too comes in sine or cos, that you have to check next. Okay, then you can use. Okay, that's all about this new measure of angles. Okay, now let's move on to problems. Page number 109. Here is the first question. The length of two sides of a triangle are 8 cm and 10 cm and the angle between them is 40 degree. Calculate its area. What is the area of the triangle with sides of the same length but angle between them 140 degree? Two sub questions are there. Question figure is not given. Okay, first of all you have to draw a rough figure. Okay, for this chapter trigonometry, figures are very important. Okay, then only we can solve the problems. Okay, so first of all you have to draw the rough figure. So in the question it is given that sides of a triangle, okay, 10 centimeter is the one side and next side is 8 centimeter and the angle between them is 40 degree. 40 degree anyway it will be what, acute angle. Okay, so it is an acute triangle. Okay, so let's draw an acute triangle with one side as 10 centimeter and the next side as 8 centimeter. This 8 can be here also, no issue. Okay, anyway you have to draw the rough figure. Now question is, what is the area of this triangle? Okay, area we have to find. What is the equation? Area of triangle equation is half BH. Okay, equation is half BH. Here base we have, what is base? 10 centimeter is the base and height we need, it is not given in the question. Okay, that means height we have to find first. Height means it is the perpendicular distance from the upper vertex to the base. Okay, so that means we have to draw height here. Like this we can draw. Okay, so here CD is the perpendicular height of this triangle. After drawing this, we will get what? One right triangle. Okay, right triangle ACD. Okay, we have a right triangle ACD. What we need to find here? Height we have to find. Okay, that means CD we need to find here. So for that we can apply trigonometric concept. Okay, so trigonometric concept, in order to apply that, ratio concept is not possible because angle given is what? 40 degree. So ratio concept is not possible. Next is what? Sine value or cos value. Sine or cos. So sine or cos, that you have to choose first. Okay, so for that consider the angle, 40 degree angle. 40 degree angle given, and which all are the sides also? That means given side. Given side is what? This AC is a given side. AC is 90 is opposite, that means hypotenuse is given. Okay, we have hypotenuse. And what we need to find here? We need to find height of this triangle, that means CD. So CD is which side of 40 degree? 40 degrees, which side is CD? It is just opposite side. Okay, it is just opposite side. CD is the opposite side. So CD is the opposite side and given measurement is hypotenuse. That means opposite and hypotenuse relation. Which one? Sine or cos comes in opposite and hypotenuse? It is sine. Okay, so sine we have to consider. Then only we will get what? Opposite side and hypotenuse relation, and we can find what? Opposite side, that is CD. So sine we have to consider. Sine of what? Given angle, that is 40 degree. So sine 40 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? Opposite side, 40 degrees opposite side is CD. So CD divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? It is AC. Okay, CD by AC. And sine 40 value. Sine 40 value, it is, I told you, it is given in the last page of your textbook. Okay, for the exam it will given in the question paper. Okay, so here you have to write the values from the textbook last page. Okay, so sine 40 is 0.6428. Okay, this is the value of sine 40 equal to CD. CD we don't know, that we have to find. So write CD by AC. AC is the hypotenuse, that already given what? 8 centimeter. So CD by 8. Now from this we have to find what? CD. Keep CD here and take this divided by 8 to this side. That means CD equal to 8 into 0.6428. Okay, you have to multiply these two. When you multiply these two, you will get the answer 5.14 centimeter. Okay, 5.14 centimeter. Just try to do that. Anyway, you will get 5.14 centimeter as CD. That means height is 5.14 centimeter. Now we have base and height. Then we can find what? Area. So area equal to half into base. Base is what? 10 centimeter is a base. So 10 into height is 5.14. 5.14. So it is 5 into 5.14. Answer will be 25.7 centimeter square. Okay, when you multiply these two values, you will get the answer as 25.7 centimeter square. So this is the area of this particular triangle. Okay, only thing you have to check is sine or cos. Okay, given side and the side you have to find. Relation between that two will be sine or cos. Okay, first you have to choose that, then it is very easy to solve. Okay, so this is the answer for the first question. In the first question, one more part is there. One more part means if angle between the side is 140 degree. For the previous case, angle between 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter was 40 degree. Here it is given, suppose it is 140 degree, what will be area of this particular triangle? Okay, only angle is changing. So 140 degree means it is obtuse. So 140 degree here. Now we have to find area of this triangle. So area means half BH, base already we have. What we need? We need height. That means from the upper vertex to the base we need a perpendicular line. Let's check. When you draw the perpendicular line, you will get like this. Okay, so here CD is a perpendicular line here, and it is right triangle also because perpendicular line. No. Next is this angle. What will be this angle? This one is 140 degree. So this is linear pair. So 180 minus 140, this angle will be what? 40 degree. Okay, so this angle is 40 degree. And what we need to find here? We have to find the height, that is CD we have to find. 40 degrees, which side is the CD? For this triangle, when you consider triangle CDA, 40 degrees opposite side is the CD. CD is the opposite side. And which side is given in the question? That means this 8 centimeter is which side of this triangle? It is hypotenuse. 90 is opposite, that is hypotenuse is given. Okay, so opposite side and hypotenuse, what is the relation? Relation is sine, that is sine 40 equal to CD by hypotenuse, that is 80. this is same like the previous question. Okay, because for the previous case also hypotenuse was 8 centimeter, the measurement opposite side was what, height to altitude, and sine same 40 we can consider. Okay, so when you write this also we will get what, same area. Okay, so here answer is area is the same like the first one because angle is same, 40 degree is the angle, hypotenuse also same, 40 degree angle same, hypotenuse also same. That's why this triangle also will have same area as that of the first triangle with the angle as 40 degree. Okay. Question number 2. The sides of a rhombus are 5 centimeter long and one of its angle is 100 degree. Compute its area. It's about rhombus. So here in the second question also figure is not given. Okay, so we have to draw a rough figure and it is given that figure is about rhombus. Okay, so rhombus means what? All the sides are equal and the side given is 5 centimeter. All the sides are 5 centimeter and one angle is 100 degree. Okay, 100 degree is one angle. So 100 degree means it is obtuse angle. That means it will be here, not here, it will be here. And we have to find area of this rhombus. Okay, area of this rhombus. And what is the equation area of rhombus? It is base into height. Okay, BH is the equation. Base we have, that is 5 centimeter, and height also we have to find. So in order to get the height, what we need to do? We need to draw a perpendicular line. Perpendicular line from upper vertex D to the base. Okay, because in order to find this anyway we have to apply what? Trigonometric values. Okay, so in order to apply trigonometric values, what we need? Right triangles we need. Okay, right triangles. So in order to get right triangle, it is better to draw from here. Okay, it can be draw from here also, but we won't get a right triangle. That's why we are going to draw from this side. Okay, so draw a perpendicular line like this. Okay, DE is a height here. Now we have to find this DE. But in order to find DE, we need a right triangle. Okay, right triangle already we got, that is DEA, 90 degrees here. But we need at least one angle other than 90 degree. Okay, that how can we find? Here it is given 100 degrees this angle. Okay, so this is 100 degree means this will be what? Linear pair. That is this angle will be 80 degree. Okay, this angle A, next angle will be 80 degree. Now it is easy to apply trigonometric value. So for that we have to check sine or cos. Okay, so sine or cos, that means which side we have to find? 80 degrees. Which side we have to find? 80's opposite side is we need to find, that is DE. Okay, opposite we need to find. And which side? 80's hypotenuse is given. Okay, hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. So opposite we have to find, hypotenuse is given. So opposite and hypotenuse relation is what? It is sine. Okay, so that means sine 80 we have to consider here. Sine 80 degree is a given angle. So sine 80 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Which is opposite side? DE is the opposite side. So DE by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given, that is 5. Okay, next is sine 80 value. When you check the textbook, you can see that sine 80 is 0.9848. Okay, 0.9848 is the value of sine 80. So sine 80 equal to DE by 5. Okay, next in order to find DE, keep DE here. So DE equal to, take this divided by 5 to this side, that is 5 into 0.9848. Okay, so when you multiply these two, you will get the answer as 4.924. Okay, 4.924 centimeter is the DE, that is height of this rhombus. Okay, so base we got, height also we got. Next is what? Area. Okay, area, that is a question. So area equal to base. Base is what? 5 into height. Height we got it as 24.924. When you multiply these two, you will get the answer as 24.62 centimeter square. Okay, 5 into 4.924 is 24.62 centimeter square. So this is the area of this rhombus. Okay, sine and cos, that must be correct. Okay, then only final answer will be correct. Okay, this is the answer. Second one. Next is question number 3. The sides of a parallelogram are 8 centimeter and 12 centimeters and the angle between them is 40 degree. Calculate its area. So in the third question, it is given that two sides of a parallelogram are 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Parallelogram, we know opposite sides will be equal and parallel. So we can draw a rough figure of parallelogram with the sides as 12 centimeter. Here also 12. Then next is 8 centimeter. Here also 8 centimeter. And it is given angle between these two sides is 50 degree. What is the area of this parallelogram? Okay, same like the previous case. Okay, so first of all, equation. What is the area of parallelogram? It is BH. Okay, area of parallelogram is base into height. Base already given in the question, that is 12 centimeter, and height we need. So in order to get height, let's draw a perpendicular line from the upper vertex to the base, same like the previous case. So for the previous case, height was outside the figure, but here we can draw inside the figure, because when you draw a perpendicular line here, we will get what? One right triangle we will get, because it is acute angle inside. Okay, for the previous case it was obtuse angle. Okay, that's why we drawn what? Perpendicular line outside the figure. Here it is enough, inside the figure it is enough. We can draw like this. Okay, so here DE is a perpendicular line. Okay, so we got a right triangle ADE here, ADE. Now 50 degrees is a given angle, 8 centimeter, that is 90 is opposite, hypotenuse is the given side. And which side we need to find here? Height we need to find, that is DE. That means 50 is which side? 50 degree angles, opposite side is the question. Opposite side is the measurement we need to find. So opposite side we have to find, hypotenuse is given. Again it will be what? Opposite and hypotenuse relation is what? Sine. Okay, so sine angle we have to consider. Sine 50. Okay, given angle is 50, so sine 50 we have to consider. So sine 50 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is what? Opposite side is DE. So DE divided by hypotenuse side is AD. Okay, next is sine 50. The value of sine 50 is 0.766. Okay, 0.766 equal to DE we don't know. DE divided by AD we have, that is hypotenuse is 8. Okay, so next is DE. Keep DE there and take this divided by 8 to this side. So 8 into 0.766. So answer will be what? It is 6.128 centimeter. Okay, when you multiply this, you will get 6.128 centimeter as the answer. That is, height of this parallelogram is 6.128 centimeter. Next is area. So area equal to base into height. So base is what? It is 12. So 12 into height is 6.128. That is equal to 73.536 centimeters square. Okay, 73.536 centimeters square is the area of this parallelogram. Okay, so here also we applied what? Sine value we applied, because we have to find opposite side and given side was hypotenuse. That's why you applied what? Sine value. Okay, so this is third one's answer. Question number 4. Angles of 50 degree and 65 degree are drawn at the ends of a 5 centimeter long line to make a triangle. Calculate its area. One side and two angles are given. Okay, we have to find the area. Here in this question it is given that at the end of a line 5 centimeter. Okay, at the end of at the two ends of 5 centimeter line, two angles are there, one 50 degree and one 65 degree. Okay, so when you draw the angle, the white one must be the greater angle, that is 65 degree. Okay, the small angle must be 50 degree. Okay, like this you have to draw the rough figure. First 5 centimeter line, then two angle, large one 65 degree, small one 50 degree. Okay, we have to find area of this triangle. Okay, area. What is the equation area? It is the same, half into b into h. Okay, so area of triangle is half bh. So here base we already given, that is 5 centimeter, and height we don't know. Okay, now if you draw a height here, at least one side must be given, then only we can apply sine or cos. Okay, so if you draw a perpendicular line here, this side is not given in the question. Okay, and this we can't say that 2.5 or 2.5, because when you draw a perpendicular line here, these two measurement will be one small one and one large one. Okay, and this side also we don't know. Okay, so it is practically it is not possible. Okay, in this case it is not possible directly. Okay, so for that, here let's check what is the third angle. Okay, 50 degree here, 65 degree here. So 180 minus 65 plus 50, answer will be what? Here also we will get the same angle, that is 65 degree. Okay, this angle will also be 65 degree. Okay, same angle. Now let's check two angle here 65 degree. This angle 65 degree, this angle also 65 degree. Then what we can say about this particular triangle? Two angles same means that opposite two sides will also be same. That means this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so here 65 degree, here 65 degree. So this 65 degrees opposite is 5 centimeter. That means this 65 degrees opposite side will also be what? 5 centimeter. Now it is possible to apply what? Trigonometric values. Okay, so let's draw perpendicular line here. After drawing the perpendicular line, we got like this. Okay, so here CD is a perpendicular line. Now here which triangle we need to consider for the trigonometric value? Okay, two triangle here we have ADC and CDB we have. Okay, so when you consider the triangle, you have to check in which triangle at least one angle and at least one side is given, complete side. Okay, so check this triangle, triangle ACD. Here angle we have 65 degree, but complete one side is not given. AC not given, CD not given, AD also we don't know. That means this is not possible. Okay, now let's check this triangle, that is triangle CDB. In this triangle we have one side. Okay, hypotenuse side is given, that is 5 centimeter. Okay, and one angle also we have, that is 50 degree. Okay, so we have to consider what? Triangle CDB in order to find what? CD. Okay, now CD is the height. 50 degrees, which side is height? 50, opposite is CD. Hypotenuse is given. So opposite and hypotenuse value is sine. So sine 50 we have to consider here. So sine 50 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So here opposite side is CD by hypotenuse is what? That is 5. Okay, next is sine 50, value of sine 50. Sine 50 value, the previous problem we already wrote, that was 0.766. Okay, equal to CD by 5. Okay, so here CD equal to 5 into 0.766. So answer is 3.83 centimeter. When you multiply these two, you will get 3.83 centimeter as the answer. Okay, so height we got. Next is what? Area. So area equal to half into, this is what? 5 is the base. So 5 into height. Height is what? CD. That is 3.83. Okay. Now when you multiply these two and divide it by 2, here you can 2.5. So 2.5 into 3.83. Answer will be 9.575 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area of this particular triangle. When you do the problem in the notebook, try to multiply. Okay, don't copy, just try to multiply and write the answer. Okay, so 9.575 centimeter square is area of this particular triangle. Last question, question number 5. A triangle is to be drawn with one side 8 centimeter and an angle on it 40 degree. What should be the minimum length of the side opposite this angle? Minimum length of the side opposite this angle. In this question it is given that from the base of a triangle, okay, 8 centimeter is the base given. From one end of this base 40 degree angle we have to draw. Okay, so from one end 40 degree angle and we have to complete that triangle. Base must be 8 centimeter and one end 40 degree angle. So this is the triangle. It is not given about the next two sides. Okay, just one side and angle is given. And the question is, what is the minimum length opposite to 40 degree angle? Okay, this 40 degrees opposite minimum length. Okay, so already BC here, but we want what minimum length we want. Okay, inside this triangle, the minimum length will be what? So minimum length means when you check with the scale. Okay, when you check with the scale, you can see one measurement, and when you move the scale towards down, you can see that this measurement is decreasing. Okay, now after a particular point this measurement will be what? Increasing. Okay, that means minimum length means what is the exact middle measurement. Okay, that is the measurement we have to find here. That means that exact measurement will be exact 90 degree angle, 90 degree line, perpendicular line will be. From that perpendicular line moving upwards it is increasing and decreasing, likewise downwards also. That means the minimum length will be perpendicular line. Okay, so the minimum length opposite to 40 degree line will be perpendicular line. So here this is the minimum length, that is DB is the minimum length, perpendicular line. Okay, that must be perpendicular line. From this perpendicular line moving upwards and moving downwards, it is increasing and decreasing. Okay, so in order to find this DB, we have to consider which triangle? Triangle ABD we have to consider, ABD. Okay, so 90 degree triangle, and 90 degree triangle 40 degrees is the given side. We have to find this side, that means 40 degrees opposite side we have to find, and 90 degree here. So hypotenuse is what? AB is a hypotenuse, 90 is opposite will be hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse, this side is opposite. So which measurement? Sine or cos? Opposite and hypotenuse is sine. Sine of which angle? 40 degrees is the given angle. So sine 40 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is DB. So DB by hypotenuse side is what? It is given 8. Okay, next is sine 40 value. So sine 40 value is 0.6428 is sine 40. So in order to find DB equal to 8 here, by 8 come to this side, it will be 8 into 0.6428. Okay, so answer is 5.14 centimeter. Here perpendicular line is enough, no need to write what? Area. Okay, area we don't want to find, only that minimum length is enough. So minimum length is perpendicular line, that is 5.14 centimeter is the minimum length opposite to what? 40 degree angle. Okay, that's all for this section.